How to fix Huawei mobile phones Bluetooth audio not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on Bluetooth. Now here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turning on or off Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system and updates and then click on reset. Now click on reset network settings. Now here you can do reset network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on software update. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.